In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a page on Webador. Start by logging into your Webador account. In the My Sites section, you will see all your websites. Click on the Edit option for the website that contains the page you want to remove. Once inside the editor, click on the Pages option at the top of your screen to view your website menu. Hover your mouse over the page you want to remove. You will see an eye icon that allows you to hide the page from visitors without deleting it. This option is useful if you want to temporarily remove the page from the menu while keeping its content. If you want to permanently delete the page, click on the Delete Page option next to it and confirm the deletion. Once done, return to the editor and you will see that the page has been removed completely. Before finishing, make sure to update or remove any buttons, text, or images that were linking to that deleted page to avoid broken links on your website. And this is how you can delete a page on Webador.